Hi everyone, I'm George, and today we're going to learn the passive causative. But before I begin, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. So, first of all, how do we use the passive causative? And now it's time to talk about my plan.
Boss, your hair looks lovely.
Oh, thank you. I got my hair cut yesterday.
How about your shoes? Are they new?
No, I just got them polished.
Your moustache looks really good too.
Thank you. I had it trimmed this morning.
And what a great suit.
Thanks. I had it made for me. It's the perfect fit. Look at these sentences.
I got my hair cut. I got my shoes polished. I had my moustache trimmed.
I didn't do any of these things. Someone did them for me as a service. For example, you wouldn't say, I cut my hair, unless you actually cut your hair yourself. You would say, I got my hair cut, which is one of the most frequently used examples of the passive causative. And you can make your own passive causative sentences using the following structure.
It's subject plus have or get plus object plus past participle. For example, I had my computer fixed.
You can use have or get in these sentences. And if you want to mention who provided you with the service, you can say this.
I had my essay corrected by an online tutor.
You can also use the passive causative to talk about something you have arranged for someone to do for you in the future, using the ing form of have or get. For example,
I'm getting my guitar fixed next week.
What have you had done recently? Let me know in the comments section, and if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel.